of faceless content creators have one puzzling question right now. How do I make YouTube see my channel as authentic and not just one of the mass-produced creators out there? How do I build a faceless channel that can get monetized and stay monetized for those that are already in the YouTube partnership program? Now we are looking at how to make each channel distinct so that we can actually tell one from the other. What do you think can make your faceless channel stand out as something genuinely created by you? How do you make your channel feel more authentic? Now, after getting demonetized myself, I had to actually probe further because telling you to use your voice is not just enough, because I was using my voice on my channel, but I was still hit by demonetization. Now, probing further, I have discovered a few things that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And I want to say a very big thank you to every one of you that showed up and showed out for me on my demonetization story video. My goodness, the love is massive. I want to tell you that I'm not taking your presence here in the community for granted at all. Apart from your amazing comments and words of encouragement in that video, some of you even went further to send me emails trying to still strengthen me. My goodness, it is a lot of love and I'm not taking it for granted at all. Waya Wese, in my place it means thank you all so much. I'm really grateful. Now let me make something clear from the beginning. YouTube has not said that faceless channels cannot be monetized, because being faceless is not automatically the problem. So we don't want to send out that fear that once you are a faceless channel, oh, that is the end of it. No. But there are actually some salient important questions you want to ask yourself if you are building a faceless channel. Is my content original? I mean, does it provide real value? Can my video be mistaken for another video from another channel? Does it look like something that can be mass-produced 100 times with very little creative inputs? Now we actually have to start looking at these things. And what I will always tell any faceless content channel anytime, any day is that humanize your channel. Yes, you heard me right. Humanize your channel. There is nothing as distinctive as being human, because we cannot say the same thing the same way. It can never happen. There must be a personality to it that makes me different from the other person. The connection is going to be different, and that is one thing you want to bring to your channel. Yes, I know you are faceless and the whole point is that you don't want to appear in every video, but being faceless does not mean that your channel has to feel faceless in every way. There should be a personality that people can connect with behind the channel. And one simple way you can actually start that is by having a channel trailer. Do a simple sit down video just like this and tell people, this is who I am. This is what I do on the channel. This is why I created the channel. This is what you can expect from me. You don't have to suddenly become a full face on camera creator, but you can actually let people know who is behind the brand. It can actually help them connect the content they are watching to a person. One of the reasons why Nollywood actors are actually having YouTube channels that are doing very well compared to just having producers actually employing actors is because people already can connect with that particular actor. Take Maurice Sam, for example. You already know Maurice Sam, you're already connected with him, and so having a channel just makes it easier for you to actually consume his content all the time. And that is why they are doing better as actors than just a producer who does not even have a face right behind their channel. So when you are a producer that people know, they can connect with you, just like Omoni Oboli. We all know her, and then she has a channel of her own. People can connect with her, people can connect with what she is doing. So even when she uses her other actors to produce her movies, we already know her for something like great storytelling, great production, and we are already expecting that from her. I can actually liken that to having a channel trailer, just a way of connecting the channel to a person. Because think about it, I click on one channel, I see AI generated visuals. I click on another one, I see AI generated visuals. Before you know it, everything starts blending. You cannot tell one apart from the other. And that is the originality and the authenticity that you want to bring to your space as a creator. And I think that channel trailer can actually help you achieve that in a way. Now, not because showing your face is one magical way that can guarantee that YouTube will monetize you. That is not what I am saying, but having a channel trailer with you on camera, introducing what you do, it actually helps people to connect with you on a personal level and just gives a brand identity that is distinct from the others, and also humanizes the brand that you have worked so hard for. Because being a faceless content channel does not actually mean that people don't put in the work, but we want people to connect with whoever is behind creating those content.
Now, for you to be able to set your channel trailer, you want to go to your YouTube studio on the desktop version. Once you are in the YouTube studio, look at the menu on the left hand side and click on customization. Now, if you are using a phone, you want to start zooming so that you can see it clearly. From there, you click on the home tab. Now scroll down to the layout section and click on add section. You will see different options that you can add to your channel homepage, but what we are looking for here is the channel trailer. Now, by this point, you should already have your introduction video ready where you introduce yourself, tell people who is behind the channel, what the channel is about, and what viewers should expect from your content, right? So you click on the channel trailer and simply select that video. Now, once you have selected it, click on publish, and that's it. Your introduction video is now on your trailer for people visiting your channel.
Another thing you want to do is to use AI as a tool and not just the entire creator. Now, while I went through the whole demonetization and checking what people are doing differently, somebody actually caught my attention, and that is the African Super Story channel. Now, this creator was also demonetized at one point, but she was able to remonetize her channel back, even though she's an AI content creator. And one thing you can actually tell is that she is now using AI as a tool and not just as the entire creator. Now, you see her on camera introducing her tales, and then she's using her voice throughout the video, and then at the end of the video she comes back to tell us what to expect, because she's somebody that likes to have series on her channel. So she's telling you what to expect in the next episode, in the next series, and you're like, okay, you can actually connect that channel to a person right now. And she's very distinct from other people who are just using AI for everything, and that is something that you can actually adopt as a faceless content channel. Using AI can actually help you tell your story, but it should not be the entire identity of the channel, like I have mentioned before. Now, using your voice is actually very good, but I cannot tell you that automatically using your voice is the only thing that you need to do to actually be safe, because on my own demonetized channel, I was using my voice, I was writing my scripts, and I was doing my own transformations, but it still wasn't enough, and my content was seen as inauthentic and repetitive. So I cannot sit down here and tell you just use your voice and you'll be fine, because I don't think anybody can actually make you that promise. And that is what made me to start thinking that you need to give your channel a personality that people can connect with. When I think about African Super Story, for example, I'm not just thinking of AI storytelling. I'm thinking about Eunice herself being on the camera talking to her audience, and that is a personality behind that channel. If you can actually adopt this and incorporate it into your channel, I believe that we'll be working on the safe lanes of YouTube, because one thing you don't want to do is to let all your hard work go down the drain. Whether faceless or not, being a content creator on this space is a lot of hard work. People pay for subscriptions, people pay for different things to actually have to be able to create the kind of content that they create, and not being able to monetize that, it is very, very heartbreaking. So you want to make sure that whatever you can do to actually make your channel distinct from the others, you want to try to put your hands on it. And honestly, there is nothing that distinguishes one creator from the other like personality. Both of us can actually be saying the same thing, but we can never say it the same way. Our expressions, our experiences can never be the same, and that is where the distinction actually comes in. And I hope you actually found this video helpful. My name is Philomena, and of course I'm going to be bringing you more tips like this that can actually help you stay on this platform, because we need to win together. Nobody deserves to leave this platform after putting in so much work into the platform. Thank you so much for your time here. Don't forget to like this video, share it to somebody you know it is going to be helpful to. Thank you, and see you in my next one.